am the model in this project.
I am Faathir. I am the scriptwriter in this project. I am Arya Mahameru. I am the editor and cameraman in this project.
I am Khailila. I am the final report writer for this project.
Welcome to
Gulali.
Gundul,
Ulin.
Bila, Lila. In this video, I will make mozzarella corndog. So let's do it.
First of all, let's prepare the ingredients. 150 milliliters water, 1 teaspoon instant dry yeast, 2 tablespoons sugar, 200 gram bread flour, 1 teaspoon salt, sausage, and mozzarella cheese. And the last one is breadcrumbs. Those are the ingredients. Okay, everything is complete now. So let's make the corn dog. First, make the other dough. Put 150 ml of warm water in a bowl, a teaspoon of instant yeast, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then mix well. Then mix the high protein flour with a teaspoon of salt and stir until blended. Then put the flour into the yeast solution earlier. Then stir until combined and no part of the flour is still dry. And after mix it like this, cover and let it stand for 45 minutes or until doubled in size. It can be covered with cloth too. While waiting for the dough, prepare the filling first. Today I'm using sausage and mozzarella cheese. Let's cure the sausage and mozzarella cheese according to taste. Let's check our dough. Start wrapping the sausage and mozzarella with a dough like this. Make sure all parts are covered perfectly so it doesn't leak when fried later. Then coat with breadcrumbs all over. This dough can make 5 large corn dogs. Then fry in hot oil until golden brown. Don't forget to turn back and forth until evenly distributed or the entire surface. After changing the color like this, lift and drain. And the mozzarella corn dogs are ready! You can add sauce and mayonnaise according to your taste. It's time to try! The outside is so crispy. Really recommend it to be one of the afternoon snacks at home. That's all from us. Don't forget to try it at home. Sorry if there are any shortcomings. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
ini tahu bukan tadi. Tidak bulan angker aja. Copot apa? Kita panjang-panjangin, tarik-tarik.
Apa sih?
Tapi nonton di aja. Ini guys, motor. Udah, lu.
Oh iya.
Gua tahu jalan.
Sini, kan kalian dulu. Habis itu ke Terigu. Habis itu ke sini. Udah. Lanjut dulu kan, coba dulu kan. Cepetan sini. Sama-sama.
Ini sih baca juga.
Script writer. Okay. I I'm Mila. I'm the model in this model. I'm the model in this project.
I am Faathir. I am the scriptwriter in this project.
Iya.
Welcome to Gulali.
Lu teriak dong.
Lanjut juga.
Gue tuh yang bagian koreografi boy.
Arya.
Kembali.